Super, and a super afternoon that we have here in Jaipur today, and I'm in the august company of Mr. Mahavir. I'm going to ask Mahavir to quickly introduce himself. The world knows him, but the million-dollar question, Mahavir, which is when you are hiring people, what is it that you're specifically looking for? And why the question? As you know, I run a school where we teach event management. We are taking inputs from the likes of you to be able to groom the kids who are going to be work ready. All yours, sir.
Thank you, Arvind. And I know you do a great job with your institute. I'm Mahavir Sharma. I'm from Jaipur, founder and owner of Swishin Events. I have a brand IP called the Jaipur Jewelry Show. Have been in the industry for 20 some years, and I think it's a great pleasure, and I enjoy this world of events. When I'm hiring people, when you're looking for people to work for my company or for my events, I look at multiple things. Obviously, event management, as you know, is a 360-degree kind of a job. You need to be a jack of all and a master of all too. So it's very important that I find a very, very dynamic and a versatile young candidate. Not only their communication, but their ability to see through what's going on, to learn and adapt quickly, to actually put everything on paper or a PowerPoint and execute that and communicate that to the clients. Everything is needed when you have to come to the event industry. It's not just one ability or one thing, from sales to marketing to executing to reports that have to be created after the event, post-event analysis. So I think a multitasker is what I look for. Someone who's confident about what he or she is, willing to learn, adapt quickly, and execute it without any effort is what I look for. It's a 24/7 work. So sleeping or getting tired or taking a break is not an option. So I need hard workers, people who can really work hard, because once you're on the job, you really sleep only after the event is over. So in effect, we look for people like you and me. Or the ability to become like you and me. And I understand we have lots of years behind us, but at this age also, we stand through the events. We don't tire. We don't compromise on the quality, and we look through everything with quick vision. So it's very important that they're also in that direction or that line. Communication, confidence, hard work, and ability to learn at the early stage is very important.
Super, Mahavir. You are one person I'm blessed to know, because the way you articulate the answer, and the best part of what you said, I think, and I'm going to reiterate that, is jack and master of all, right? Not the old adage which says jack of all trades and a master of one. Thank you so much for your time, sir.
Cheers. All the